Hi, this is Becky Schultz. I'm reporting from the Hyundai dealer training event, and I'm here with Chad Parker. And we're going to be talking a little bit about the reasons behind this event and how for contractors and construction equipment end users, business owners, how this is going to be beneficial for you in the end. Chad, can you tell us a little bit about the meeting itself? What is involved? How many people are participating?
We have total, this is session 2, so we have total of 56 people that's come through the last 4 days. And it's dealer sales representatives and some rental guys, and the whole benefit for this is for them to learn and understand the new technology on the machines. Today's market has demanded more and more customizations for job sites and applications so that the machines will work and perform on the job at the most efficient rates. And that's what the dealer sales reps are doing out here, is they're getting to know the product as deep as we can get them to do in a two-day period. You know, right now today they're out here and they got checklists, in-depth checklist over of the 11 machines here. 8 of them have in-depth checklists that they have to go through, not only outside features and benefits, but the inside features and benefits on how to set the monitors up. And so they realize and understand when they're talking to the customers and what their customers' needs are, they know how to answer and respond, that our Hyundai equipment can serve their needs in that format.
So coming out of this meeting, what type of knowledge are they going to have that they can then convey to end users and owners of the construction equipment?
It could be anything like what setting speeds they need, what kind of pressures they need if they're running auxiliary hydraulic attachments like a breaker, a crusher, or anything from a grapple bucket on a wheel loader to just changing out forks on a coupler system. We have featured here today the NCONG swivel attachment system that allows them to do 360-degree rotation, and that's on our new HX 140 LC with a Cummins engine. We also have our new featured HX 220 L with a EPFC system, which is electronic positive control. And this new system is basically helping us to get more truck loading, swing balance, arm balance, and conditioning so that the operator, depending on what he's doing, can maximize the most hydraulic efficient flow and fuel efficient to get the jobs done faster. So it's all about cycle time for end users, and when you can speak the lingo to the end user, and that's where the dealer sales reps really come important, because they're the middleman between the manufacturer and the end user. So that's the whole point of this, is to make sure that we're well trained in our dealer sales reps so they represent not only their company but Hyundai themselves when they go to step in to sell a piece of our equipment.
So what I'm hearing is that all of this translates into being able to not only better convey the features that are available on the Hyundai equipment and the value they provide, but also how the individual operating those machines can get the maximum productivity out of them.
Exactly, and that's what it's all about. That's all any construction equipment is about, is maximum productivity, less downtime, and efficiency. Because when their bottom dollar is purchased on one piece, but they got to be able to make it perform so that they're making money. And I mean, let's face it, construction equipment is a large tool, and without their tool running, they can't get their jobs done. So, you know, a lot of people want to sometimes overload a machine here and underload it here, but if a salesman's well trained and he understands what a machine can do, what the application is, and when he knows different material weights and what the maximum a machine can weigh, the customers also want to get the longevity out of their machines. So they're also here to learn how to not shortcut stuff, and how to factor in proper, what would you call it, material weight balance, basically how to fill the bucket properly and not overweigh the machines, and then operate them so they get kind of understand what the operator is going through when he's sitting in that machine. You know, their job is to be Johnny on the spot, because time is money in this industry, and our job is to teach them, make sure that they understand that and know how to talk to those customers. So
I would assume that it also helps them to be able to help their customers get the machine that's going to best meet their particular needs.
Yes, and that's what it is getting them to ask the right questions You know, a guy might have a 35 small excavator, or he might have a 970 size wheel loader, but it's what are they doing with it? What are they liking about their current situation and equipment they own, and what do they not like about it? And when you can ask the customer that, and they can present that information to them, then they can turn around and factor in our features and benefits that can help them get the sale. So.